How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about something funny today. How do native speakers talk at work? People ask me that all the time.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. By the way, hi everyone. I'm John. Nice to see you all again.
And I'm Emma. Thanks for joining us today. Okay, so John, how is your morning going?
Slow. I woke up late, spilled coffee on my shirt, then burned my toast. A perfect start.
Oh no, that's like a classic Monday morning.
Exactly. But I'm here now, and I'm awake. Mostly.
Well, that's good enough. So, want to jump into the topic?
Yeah. Let's talk about how native speakers sound at work. People think we talk super fast or super formal, but honestly, we don't.
Yeah, not at all. In American workplaces, the way we talk is usually simple, friendly, and casual, even with bosses.
Right. Like this morning at my office, my boss walked by and said, "Hey John, morning, you good?" Very simple.
And you said?
Yeah, doing good, just getting started. That's it. No big words, no long sentences.
Exactly. A lot of work conversations are short, straight to the point, like, got a minute? Need help with this? Almost done?
And sometimes we use little phrases that don't mean exactly what they sound like.
Oh yeah, like, let me check on that. It doesn't mean we're checking right now. It means I need time.
Or I'll circle back. That means I'll talk about this later.
And sounds good. We use that all the time.
It's like the universal American work phrase. Someone could say, "I'm going to lunch," or "I finished the project," or "the building is on fire." And the answer is still, "Sounds good."
Not the fire one, John, but yes, we use sounds good for almost everything.
We do. It's friendly and easy.
One thing English learners always ask me is, do native speakers talk formally at work? And the truth is, not really.
Not unless you're in a super serious job like law or government or something.
Yeah, most jobs are more relaxed. People say things like, "Hey, what's up? Can you take a look at this? Give me a sec. Be right back. Thanks, appreciate it."
Sometimes even shorter. My coworker just says, "Got it," or "Cool," or "All good."
You know what else? We use a lot of soft language, like maybe, kind of, a little, when you get a chance.
Yes, especially when we don't want to sound bossy.
For example, instead of saying, "Send me the file," we say, "Hey, could you send me that file when you get a minute?"
Even if we want it now, we still say "when you get a minute."
Yes, it just sounds nicer.
Another thing is small talk. At work, we use small talk every day.
True, like, how was your weekend? Did you see the game? Crazy weather today.
Oh yeah, weather talk is huge. Americans love talking about weather, even when nothing is happening.
Wow, sunny again. Yep, that's it.
But it helps people feel comfortable. It makes the work environment friendly.
And sometimes we talk about personal things, but not too personal, like dogs, movies, food.
Definitely food. My office talks about lunch more than we talk about work.
Same. Every day someone says, "I'm hungry," at like 9:30 a.m.
That's me.
So, okay, let's give some examples. Let's pretend we're coworkers.
Sure, I'll start. "Hey Emma, morning. You doing okay?"
Yeah, doing good. Just finishing this report. What's up?
"Oh, cool. Just wanted to ask, did you get my email?"
Not yet. Let me check real quick.
No rush, just whenever.
Okay, sounds good.
That's basically 70% of American work talk.
Yes, and notice how relaxed and short everything is.
Right. We don't use big grammar. We don't say, "Good morning, Emma. I am inquiring whether you received the email I sent earlier."
Nobody talks like that in real life.
Also, tone is really important. Native speakers use a friendly, soft tone at work.
Even if we're busy or stressed?
Especially then. Like if someone asks for help when I'm swamped, I might say, "I'm a little busy right now, but I can help in a few minutes."
And a few minutes might actually mean 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Another thing, we use, "I'm not sure," a lot, even when we are sure.
Yep, it sounds more polite. Like, I'm not sure, but I think the meeting's at 3.
Or, I might be wrong, but I think we need to update this.
It's a soft way to give information.
The general style is simple words, friendly tone, short sentences.
Easy to listen to, easy to answer.
I think the main thing learners should remember is you don't need perfect English to sound natural at work.
Not at all. You just need to be friendly and clear.
And don't worry about sounding formal. Americans don't even worry about that.
Yeah, relax, smile a little, say things like, hey, thanks, no problem, all good.
Work English is basically friendly, everyday English with a little teamwork sprinkled in.
I like that. Teamwork sprinkled in, like seasoning.
Exactly. A little salt, a little pepper, a little sounds good.
So, what's our takeaway for today?
I'd say don't try to sound perfect. Try to sound friendly.
And simple. Simple is natural.
And natural is good communication.
And good communication is good work.
If you can say, hey, can you help me? And thanks, that helps a lot. You're already speaking great workplace English.
Absolutely. And if someone says, let's circle back, don't worry, it just means they're busy.
Yep. All right, everyone. Thanks for listening. Hope this helps.
Have a great day, and sounds good.
Sounds good.